5-9. Draw figures 1, 2, and 3 for a tile pattern that could be described by y equals negative 3x plus 10. Okay, so let's start out by writing down the original equation, which for this pattern is going to be y is equal to negative 3x plus 10. Okay, and we know from looking at our toolkit that this part of the equation is going to be where the growth is, and this part of the equation will be figure 0. And we are given that figure 0 is, well, essentially in this equation, we know that figure 0 has to be 10. And so I'm just going to write that down. Figure 0 is equal to 10. And then we know that the growth is going to be right here. And that growth is actually going to be negative growth. It's going to be a negative 3. So negative 3. So really, we need a tile pattern that starts out with a figure 0 that has 10 tiles in it. So I'm going to actually draw a square, and then I'm going to put 9 tiles here, and then I'll tack on one more tile. Because the other thing we know is that the growth is going to be negative 3. So every time we move up by a figure number, we are going to take away 3 tiles. So from here, we could take away these 3 tiles. And so this time, we start out with our lone tile sticking off to the side. And then this time, because we're subtracting 3 tiles, we'll only have 7 tiles. So I am going to make a little block of 6 tiles right here. Okay, so we have 7 or 6 tiles right here, and then the 7th tile. And that's figure 1. Now, figure 2, we're going to take away 3 more tiles. And so this time we'll have the little tile sticking off to the side, and then we will only have 3 tiles over here. Okay, so that's figure 2, and then figure 3, the last figure that we need to draw, we're going to take away another 3 tiles, and so figure 3 will just be the lone tile by itself. Okay, so we've got all 3, figure 1, figure 2, and figure 3.